There is not a bond as strong as between two sisters. Some sisters would go to the farthest regions of the earth to protect one another from harm, while others would rather sue each other for the whole world to see. Such a case is between Meghan Markle and her half-sister Samantha Markle. Meghan, as we all know, is the Duchess of Sussex, an American member of the British royal family and former actress. She is the wife of Prince Harry, Duke of Sussex, the younger son of King Charles III. Meghan was born and raised in Los Angeles, California, while Samantha Markle, 58, is Meghan's half-sister from Florida and is 17 years older than the Duchess. All this beef transpired when Samantha Markle alleged that Meghan defamed her through a book and through an interview with Oprah Winfrey. Before we go through whose side won, let's have a deep dive on how this troubling case began. Hi, welcome to YouWannaWatch, and in this video, we're going to talk about the key points about Samantha Markle's defamation lawsuit against Meghan Markle. The reason behind Samantha taking legal action. On March 3, 2022, TMZ reported that Samantha Markle claimed in court documents that Meghan Markle lied about her and their family during the sit-down. The author of the Diary of Princess Pushy's sister accused her sibling of fabricating stories about growing up in virtual poverty. Samantha claimed that their father, Thomas Markle, paid for Meghan to attend elite and expensive private schools, and that her father also paid for the suit's alum's tuition at Northwestern University, despite Meghan's claims that she worked to pay her own way through college. Samantha allegedly claimed in the lawsuit that Meghan lied during the tell-all about the time the siblings saw each other and when the elder changed her last name back to Markle. She also claimed that Meghan lied about her and their father so that the two could not interfere with or contradict the false narrative and fairy-tale life story she concocted. Samantha also accused Meghan of hurting sales of her autobiography, preventing her from getting jobs, and causing her emotional and mental distress. This baseless and absurd lawsuit is just a continuation of a pattern of disturbing behavior. We will give it the bare minimum of attention that it deserves, Meghan's attorney Michael Kump told TMZ in a statement. In a March 2021 interview, the Duchess of Sussex claimed that she had not seen Samantha in at least 18 or 19 years and that Samantha changed her last name back to Markle in her early 50s, after Meghan started dating Prince Harry. Samantha's claims. Samantha claimed in the lawsuit that many of the TIG creators' previous statements about their relationship were false. Samantha argued that the claim that they only saw each other a handful of times was false, and she also slammed the claim that Meghan asked their father to intervene amid her public comments. Samantha also claimed that she was invited to Meghan's first wedding in 2011 to Trevor Engelson. A former couple divorced in 2013. Samantha sued for actual damages in the form of lost employment, lost income from autobiography sales, emotional and mental distress, including anxiety and fear as a result of the threatening and violent emails and messages she receives on a regular basis, and harm to her reputation and credibility, according to court documents. Samantha is seeking damages in excess of $75,000. Meghan had 21 days to respond to the complaint, according to the summons, which was filed on March 4, 2022. Meghan's response. In March 2022, the former actress attorney, Michael Kump, addressed the allegations, telling TMZ in a statement, "This baseless and absurd lawsuit is just a continuation of a pattern of disturbing behavior. We will give it the bare minimum of attention that it deserves." Meghan filed a motion to dismiss Samantha's defamation lawsuit. Meghan, Duchess of Sussex, filed a motion to dismiss the defamation lawsuit brought against her by her half-sister Samantha Markle on May 13, 2022, describing the case as without merit and based on allegations that are demonstrably false, and asking a Florida federal court to order her half-sister to cover attorney's fees. Samantha Markle claimed in her complaint filed on March 3, 2022 that Meghan published and disseminated false and malicious lies designed to destroy reputation and expose her to humiliation, shame, and hatred on a global scale in order to paint a false narrative of her childhood. Samantha is suing the Duchess for more than $75,000 in damages, claiming reputational harm as well as lost employment and income from the sale of her autobiography The Diary of Princess Pushy's Sister. Although Samantha Markle claims that her half-sister made 3 defamatory statements during Meghan's March 2021 blockbuster interview with Oprah Winfrey, most of the case revolves around information reported in Meghan and Prince Harry's 2020 biography, Finding Freedom. Finding Freedom, written by reporters 𝐒𝐚𝐬𝐬𝐬 and Carolyn Durand, is a flattering biography of Meghan and Harry that the UK press frequently refers to as a hagiography. Although the Duke and Duchess stated in a sworn statement to a UK court that they had not coordinated with the authors, it was later revealed that in 2018, the Duke and Duchess directed their then Communications Secretary Jason Knopf to share specific information with 𝐒𝐚𝐬𝐬𝐬 and Carolyn Durand in a background meeting. Emails between 𝐤𝐴𝐬𝐼 and Meghan and Harry were made public as part of the Duchess's copyright and privacy lawsuit against the publishers of the book. Following the release of the emails, Meghan formally apologized to the court for previously claiming she was not involved with the book. Samantha Markel's lawsuit accuses Meghan of making defamatory statements in a background briefing email to 𝐤𝐴𝐬𝐼, as well as holding Meghan responsible for what Markle calls defamatory statements published in the biography itself. Samantha Markel's lawsuit names 17 allegedly defamatory statements, including 7 made in Meghan's email to 𝐤𝐴𝐬𝐼, 7 made in Finding Freedom, and 3 made during the Oprah interview. Meghan's lawyers denied all of Samantha's allegations in a motion to dismiss filed on March 13, 2022, and stated that even if they were true, the Duchess's half-sister would still have no case. First, because the statements Meghan made about Samantha and her 2018 briefing email to 𝐤𝐴𝐬𝐼 were made outside of Florida's 2-year statute of limitations for defamation. Second, because Meghan did not write Finding Freedom. And finally, because Meghan's statements abetted the filing included an itemized list of responses to all 17 defamatory statements claimed by Samantha Markel. The motion's request that Samantha pay Meghan's legal fees is based on a Florida law that prohibits lawsuits against people who exercise their right to free speech in connection with public issues. Motion denied. Meghan filed a motion to dismiss the meritless lawsuit against her in June 2022, but Judge Charlene Edwards-Honeywell denied the motion because Samantha filed an amended complaint. Meghan then moved to dismiss the case again. Samantha, for her part, attempted to have the judge removed from the case, claiming that Honeywell's impartiality will be questioned. Meghan refiles motion to dismiss Samantha's defamation case against her. Frenzied filing. Meghan Markle attempted to dismiss half-sister Samantha Markle's defamation lawsuit once more, but a judge has denied her request. The previous attempt to dismiss the claim was denied as moot because Samantha filed an amended complaint. Filed in late June of 2022, Meghan argued that Samantha's claims are meritless. Meghan claimed in her submission that Samantha deleted numerous specific factual allegations and exhibits from her original complaint, claiming that the facts would completely undermine Samantha's case. Samantha's objection. Samantha objected to Meghan's request for judicial notice of multiple claims in court documents obtained by Us Weekly in July 2022, including the allegation that Samantha was compensated for 5 to 6 interviews. According to Samantha's legal team, Meghan's claim is merely an implication, not a known fact. The objection also mentioned details revealed in Finding Freedom Chapter 12 and 2 New Mexico state court documents involving Samantha. We are nearing the end of our video, but before we proceed, we would like to ask you to please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel at www.youtube.com/c/YouWannaWatch2022 and follow us on our Facebook page at www.facebook.com/YouWannaWatch. Any support you provide us will help us provide you with more and better content. Okay, now back to the story. Meghan and Harry deposed in Samantha's defamation lawsuit. A Florida judge ruled in February 2023 that Prince Harry and Meghan will be deposed as part of a defamation case brought against the Duchess in the United States by her half-sister, Samantha Markle. Meghan's motion to avoid testimonies was denied by Judge Charlene Edwards-Honeywell, who ruled that the Duchess of Sussex does not show that unusual circumstances justify the requested stay, or that prejudice or an undue burden will result if the court does not impose a stay. The judge added that the Duchess of Sussex does not satisfy the high standard required to stay discovery pending the resolution of a positive motion. Meghan Markle wins defamation lawsuit filed by Samantha Markle. A royal triumph. Meghan Markle has won the defamation lawsuit filed against her by half-sister Samantha Markle. According to documents obtained by Us Weekly, the $75,000 case was dismissed on March 30, 2023 in Florida. United States District Judge Charlene Edwards-Honeywell ruled in favor of the suit's alum, noting that her statements during her 2021 CBS interview with Prince Harry were clearly opinions and thus could not be considered defamatory. Samantha's concerns about the 2020 book Finding Freedom, Harry and Meghan and the Making of a Modern Royal Family, for which she claimed Meghan contributed false information, were also dismissed by Judge Honeywell, who ruled that the claims should be dismissed because the Duchess of Sussex did not write the book herself. However, U.S. District Judge Charlene Edwards-Honeywell ruled in favor of the former suit's actress. In relation to the Oprah interview, the judge stated that the Duchess' statements could not be proven false. As a reasonable listener would understand it, Meghan Markle merely expresses an opinion about her childhood and her relationship with her half-siblings. Judge Honeywell reached the order. Thus, the court finds that defendant's statement is not objectively verifiable or subject to empirical proof. Plaintiff cannot plausibly disprove defendant's opinion of her own childhood. The judge also dismissed the bestseller claims, ruling that the Duchess could not be held liable for a book she did not publish. Samantha, who shares Meghan's biological father, claimed in her lawsuit that the former actress lied about being an only child and downplayed her relationship with her half-sister. Samantha's lawyer, Jamie A. Sasson, noted in a statement that he and his client vehemently opposed the decision, arguing it was not a total win for Meghan. Upon reviewing the order, it is made very clear that the entire case was not tossed out, but in fact, the judge is allowing Samantha the ability to amend her complaint within a 14-day period. He claimed, adding that he will look forward to presenting an even stronger argument for Samantha's defamation allegations. What do you think about Samantha Markle's defamation lawsuit against Meghan Markle? Whose side are you on, Samantha's or Meghan's? Did we miss anything that you think should have been included? Let us know your thoughts by writing a comment on this video. If you're interested in our other videos, just hover over the videos and just press play. Until next time, watchers, thank you for watching our video.